These construction tips are so clever they feel like you're breaking the law just by using them. Okay, starting strong. You know what's more impressive than a good construction crew? One guy carrying dozens of tires like it's nothing. No forklift, no equipment, just raw ingenuity. And then there's this. People making insane cement decorations using nothing more than scraps and a little imagination. Like turning steel guardrails into wooden sail decor? That shouldn't even be possible. Now picture this. You're trying to install a gypsum board by yourself? Sounds like a two-person job, right? Nope. Watch how one guy pulled it off solo using a makeshift brace. It's one of those, wait, why didn't I think of that moments? And for my cold climate people, someone built a fridge into the tundra. Like a literal underground cold storage system. Completely eco-friendly, zero electricity. It's so obvious once you see it, but genius all the same. Oh, and here's a weird one. Bricklaying using the CH method. One of the oldest techniques ever. It looks odd, but it locks bricks together so tightly you'd think it was modern engineering. Now, this guy said he wasn't drinking too much beer, just collecting bottles to build a house. Not kidding. Whole walls made from beer bottles. It actually looks cool. If you're short, or just dealing with ridiculous ceiling heights, there's this hack where someone swapped out a ladder for a creative rig to change a light bulb. Super sketchy? Yeah. Did it work? Definitely. You know those massive wind turbine blades? One guy was just sitting on the edge of one during transport. Not a tip, just insane energy. Now back to practical stuff. Someone fixed tiny gear teeth like they were performing surgery. He used jeweler's precision to bring a busted part back to life. Way beyond average DIY. Got a cracked door frame or a window that's seen better days? You don't need to rip it out. This fix I saw used just filler and sanding, and the final look was flawless. You'd never know it was broken. Now here's one that almost made me mad. Someone built a table so beautiful, it put designer furniture to shame. Just wood, craftsmanship, and pure patience. That should be illegal. Let's talk about excavators. You think they're just for digging? Wrong. Apparently they also make great mops. Yeah, someone turned a digger into a floor cleaning machine. Then there's this one guy who laid bricks like he broke the Matrix, stacked perfectly, edge to edge, with a trick that made the whole process look effortless. Ever seen someone carve a solid rock into a luxury bathroom sink? He did it with nothing but angle grinders and time. I'm serious, it ended up looking like a piece of sculpture. Redwood furniture restoration is no joke. But one craftsman made it look like a time-lapse cheat code. No chemicals, no harsh sanding, just clean, smooth perfection. One of my favorites, a driveway made with patterned cement blocks. But get this, the molds were made from pine wood, not plastic. And the pattern? Totally DIY and super clean. All right, someone wanted to build a gate but didn't have a latch, so they used a chain and some weight as a counterbalance. Improvised and it worked perfectly. Here's another I shouldn't laugh but I did moment. A DeWalt drill helping someone cook soup on a job site. Not smart, but kind of smart. Now tired of spending 10 minutes tightening bolts? This guy used a motor tool to cut that time down to seconds. If time is money, this man's a millionaire. And don't get me started on the carpenter who treated tool use like an art form. His restoration process was so smooth, it almost felt rehearsed. Speaking of physics, someone used the law of the lever to move giant slabs with barely any force. It's the kind of thing that makes you stop and rethink everything you've ever lifted the hard way. Another smart one, leveling sunken concrete in a yard using nothing but sand and a jack system. Took like 10 minutes. Unreal. There's this technique where old tires and crushed stone are layered to form super strong road foundations. It's sustainable and stupidly tough. Like tank level strong. Now, if you're looking to hide your beer from guests, not saying you should, but if you were, there's this plank stack trick that turns into a secret compartment. It's ridiculous, but it works. Designing your own bricks? Apparently you can. And the molds make these futuristic looking cement blocks. They're way cooler than anything you'd find in a store. Here's a wild one. A guy brought a dead car back to life using a battery-powered drill and 2 metal spoons. I still don't understand how, but it sparked the engine. Stairs, most of us walk on them. This guy built them with this perfect rhythmic flow. No measuring tape mid-process, just muscle memory and consistency. I could watch it all day. Foam-covered tents. Not camping tents, we're talking full-on houses that can handle storms. 4 days to build, insulated, and sturdy. It's like survival mode, but smarter. Have you ever painted a ceiling without making a mess? This guy did it with a pressure paint system that felt like sorcery. Not a drop on the floor. Baseboard along stairs? Nightmare, right? Not with this guy's technique. He bent and curved each piece to snap perfectly into place. No gaps, no math headaches. Now get this, someone built a disaster-proof house with basic materials and a brilliant layout. The insulation was top-notch and it could survive extreme conditions, like bunker-level genius. Bent metal, perfect texture, low budget, this guy did it. Just heat and pressure, no welding. It was clean, safe, and fast. You can make a cement path that looks like real stone, and you do it with molds, concrete mix, and a little finesse. Looks boutique, costs pocket change. Ever built a house from plastic bottles? Yeah, someone did, with a full door, window, and insulation. Way more legit than I expected. Oh, and this next one? Plumbing elbows. You don't always need a new piece. A pro showed how to make a custom turn with just a snip and a smart bend. No leaks, no problem. There's a steel mold system that makes interlocking concrete blocks like Lego. 3 days and you're done. It's basically prefab meets Minecraft. Need to upgrade your bathroom but broke? Try carving a sink from tile scraps. One guy did it with nothing but a grinder and some patience. Painting around round columns sucks, unless you've got a shield plate that keeps the mess in check. Again, it looks dumb until you try it. Got a broken bumper? Fire can fix it. One guy showed how to use a heat gun to bring it back into shape. No painting needed. You know those screw heads that ruin the look of furniture? Hide them completely with a punch tool. Invisible finish every time. Some of the tile jobs in here were just insane. One used the yin-yang symbol on a bathroom floor, and it looked like art from above. And I have to end on this one. Someone literally built their tools out of scrap. A concrete pouring sleeve from a chopped pipe, a sealant gun made from an old brush, and a tile-cutting water feeder from a plastic jug. Every one of those things worked. That's it, 150 raw. Ridiculously clever construction tips, straight from the job site trenches. No fluff, no filler, just pure, why didn't I think of that moments. Some of these are going straight into my own toolbox. What's your opinion about these? Comment below. And if you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.